remember that day that I came to visit you in Mbarara. It says Unite for Good. It has my name.
Abantu abarkwegitiro mu kibiina kya Rotare Club ya Mbarara bashabire kukwatanisa hamwe Kutunguura Amaka obarikuhereza abatarikwebaasa.
I would like to task you to go for more because you can and you have the ability. You have focused on WASH, MCH and everything. But as you receive the letter, I'd like you to incorporate economic empowerment. Economic empowerment with the teenage mothers, because there's a lot that we can do. If you're giving them chicken to rear, let them rear chicken. Train them to make soap. Train them to make hair jelly, to make shampoo, to make anything.
District Governor Cheyune Kawoya ayongera yayihananyisiriza Rotary Club kugumza muno kwejumbira mu fellowships ahabo kubezo nizibagitira hamwe.
They are not low. They are high. But you have worked as a team. You have worked together to make sure that you achieve together. And so, our slogan this year goes, together, one act at a time. With the little acts that you have done, you have been able to achieve over 80%. Congratulations.
Abel Kahara or Rotary Club President ahabwa Mbarara ashoborire bibakozere ombirigana byo kubanza kandi yayongere yashobora nta kwakira abamemba basya mu kibiina.
Tekweza yije mutwaro ashatu na mshanju kandi twakatagira abantu abarina mwenda abase kwereza sente zikutandikira mutwaro ashatu na mshanju kweyongera higuru konka amherwa byona abanya Rotary ya Mbarara babasize kureba ngo barondana sente ezikika miliyoni 8 izifashije hweri izova kandi tugumiza mu kureba ngo twaza kwizo mwaka gwa Rotary gwa district 914 group kwa mkago ko mwaka guru kwija tujya kwa twarondire sente nyingi.
Abel Kahara ayorekere ko bine kitekateko cyo kureba ngo bakwatiraho abantu na mununga omuri kisora batarakwebasa nangwa nebicweke bindi.
Reba videos ibiri emwe yaneyoreka project yo tukora $1 igarashatu nemwe nezindi sente rukumashatu nemwe kandi ezi sente zigo mu district ya Kisoro was tomu za Uganda ninga dollars kwena sente zikana kanka miliyoni 500 zigo zikoro mashomero mushanju primary schools 5 zirubuguri hamwe na secondary schools kandi twakakatareba na video yaba national housing baturetera barakutoreka plans bakaza kwesa kureba ngo Rotary House na mnongo muri Mbarara yayombekwa kandi ejoreja kwaresha abantu 800.
Aha mukorogu batahiza abantu bana omukibineki baje kabandi 9 ahabo kuhereza kibineki egiri kubayamba kuhereza abantu abatine buhwezi ndi job kato abatayari west.
Doing it in the best possible place, either in your office or in your home, so that people who visit you know you are Rotarian and in good standing.